Hello, greetings from Mehta Child Care. Today let's talk about teething. When we mention teething, we usually mean the eruption of the primary or milk teeth which happens in the first 2 years. There are a lot of beliefs about teething, some harmless, some dangerous. When does teething start? The first tooth to appear is usually the lower central incisor, which shows up around the 6 months of age. The last tooth is usually the second molar at the back, which comes around 2 years of age. The primary teeth are only 20 in number as compared to the 32 permanent adult teeth. The ages shown here are just the average. Some babies are born with teeth known as the natal teeth. Some babies will erupt their teeth later than shown here. A little variation should not worry us, but if a baby has no teeth at all by the age of 1 year, we should consult a doctor. This age from 6 months to 24 months is the time when baby is learning how to crawl, walk, stand, run, put things in the mouth, change from an all milk diet to a semi-solid diet to a solid diet. Many things change, her habits, her sleep patterns, her bowel patterns, her behavior, and since teething is happening at this time, everything gets blamed on teething. Teething produces teeth. It does not produce high fever, cold, cough, diarrhea, rash or fits. If your child appears to be unwell, do not blame it on teething and ignore the symptoms. Illnesses progress very quickly at this age, and if the early symptoms are not attended to, there can be a tragic outcome. Some babies surprise their parents by showing a tooth one fine day. But most babies will have some symptoms: excessive salivation, drooling, rubbing of the gums, extra fussiness, a reduction in sleep, poor appetite. These are minor signs and should not worry us. What can we do for the baby who is teething? Rubbing the gums with a clean finger is comforting to these babies. They also enjoy chewing on a teething ring or a chilled coarse cloth. Babies enjoy chewing when they are teething, and our job is to provide them clean things to put in their mouth which cannot be swallowed. You should not use teething gels, powders, syrups, drops because teething goes on for 18 to 24 months. Giving any medicine to a child for so long is not good, especially for something which is basically a natural process. So the bottom line about teething: all babies have teething. Some go through it easily, some have a tough time. If there are any signs of illness, don't ignore it, and if your child appears unwell, go to a doctor quickly.